Okay, let me explain about how to use this device. So this actually check for your connection, whether the earth live neutral is connect correctly. So it has different lighting. So once you plug in, now the power socket is off. When I plug in, it straight away have power. This is not right. Then once you on, it has one green, one blank, one red. From here we can see that the live and neutral is reversed. So what live and neutral is in reverse. But for AC socket, when live and neutral is reversed, right? Actually, you can still use the socket. Just that the live will go to your device first, then it stop after it exit your device. Then the neutral is not connected. So in short, there's electricity running to your appliances, then it stop at the exit. But AC circuit, AC electric is going left and right, so it still will work, but I think it's not safe. So first of all, to solve this issue, I need to off the circuit breaker. Okay, I have off the circuit breaker. Now there's no more power over here. So first of all, take out the electric socket. Make sure the electricity is off. This and from here I can see they are using a very thin wire, and from here you can see, so here is N, here is L. So L stands for live. Normally brown color it should be live and blue color should be neutral. So we need to switch this over. When there's power, when you touch the neutral and live together, it will be electric. Although the power is off, but always try to avoid the live and neutral working together. Twist, then bend. And make sure that the rubber doesn't go into the wire, so you won't have a loose connection. Try to pull. Wire socket, the recommended size should be 2.5 mm thick. So this is way too thin. now you can see the green, two green, and from here you can see that now it's correct. So I spent 6 minutes to fix this. Thanks for watching.